You can have great products and an excellent Shopify store, but still get buried on search. And if that's happening to you, this video will show you exactly why. Plus, how to fix it fast and easy to get your store ranking higher on Google. Most store owners assume that if their product is good, Google will eventually figure it out. But I hate to break it to you, SEO just doesn't work like that. So today, I'm going to show you the real reasons why your Shopify pages don't rank, even with great products. And of course, what you actually need to fix if you want consistent traffic from Google. The big misconception. Here's the biggest misconception in Shopify SEO. Good products don't rank. Well-structured pages do. Google doesn't reward effort, branding, or aesthetics, it rewards clarity. And that's why a simple Shopify starter store can consistently outperform a beautiful, well-designed, high-end one. So if it's not the product, what is it? In my experience, Shopify pages don't rank for 5 main reasons. And the good news is each one has a simple tiny tip to fix it. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to fix them all in one place. Let's break it down. Reason 1, Google doesn't understand the page. Most Shopify pages don't rank because Google doesn't even understand what the page is about. There's no clear keyword focus, no supporting content, and no context beyond a product grid. If Google can't confidently label a page, it's not going to prioritize it. And if people can't see what your page is about, how can you expect Google to? Tiny tip, choose one main keyword per page and explain it clearly in the title, description, and first lines of content. And before publishing, ask yourself, can I describe the page in one sentence? If not, then Google can't either. Reason 2, duplicate and weak metadata. Duplicate titles, missing descriptions, and metadata so generic, it's like showing up to a party and everyone's wearing the exact same shirt. If several pages look the same in search, Google has no reason to rank any of them. Tiny tip, make every page's title and description unique. If 2 pages share the same metadata, neither one will win. Reason 3, pages compete with each other. A lot of Shopify stores accidentally compete with themselves and fight over the same keywords. This kills SERP results and weakens buying intent. Products targeting category keywords or collections targeting product level keywords, this is keyword cannibalization and it destroys rankings. Tiny tip, use one unique keyword for each page. That means using collections for category searches like men's hoodies and products for descriptive and specific searches like black oversized hoodie. Reason 4, no internal authority flow. Even great pages won't rank if nothing points to them. Internal links tell Google which pages matter. If your navigation, homepage, and blogs don't funnel authority properly, your pages stay invisible. Tiny tip, link important pages from your main menu, homepage sections, and blog posts. That's how you tell Google which pages matter most. Reason 5, technical SEO friction. Pages not indexed, SEO errors left unfixed. Issues that you don't see unless you actually check for each one manually. Google doesn't fight through friction, it moves on to your competitor. Tiny tip, before publishing, make sure the page is indexed and free of SEO errors using an SEO audit tool. If Google can't crawl or index a page, it's not going to rank it. Now, you could spend the next few days, weeks, or even months guessing which one of these issues that you have and trying to fix them one by one. But why waste time when you really don't need to? Check this out instead. Inside TinyImage, right on the dashboard, you have an SEO Health Check. This shows you exactly what's holding your pages back. Products, collections, articles, and pages are all scored out of 100, so you can see what's optimized, what needs improvement, and what's not. This score isn't random. It's a total summary of the 5 indices: metadata, structure, duplication, indexing, and SEO best practices that directly affect rankings, and you need to be aiming for a score as close to 100 as possible. All you need to do is click the title of each one and navigate to the edit page. Now you can see the unique score for each page and what's actually holding it back from being ranked. Checking the analysis boxes on the right is your guide to page 1 of Google. Green check marks should be seen all over, and red X's are the real reasons that your products don't rank. You can see a fix for each of the 5 reasons that your pages aren't ranking. Keyword focus, weak titles and meta information, pages competing with each other, internal linking and URL structure, and technical SEO issues that Google won't push through. Now, Instead of manually researching to find the right information, keywords, or navigating the complexity of Google Search Console, only to spend countless hours, if not days, weeks, or even months, trying to fix everything, you can actually use AI to generate your titles, descriptions, alt text, metadata, and more in just a few simple clicks. No fluff, just targeted improvements that you can apply instantly. And all you need to do is click the Generate with AI button here, input the data required, hit Generate, and apply your favorite one. Make sure to save your work as you go. As each issue is fixed, the score improves and more green check marks should appear. And the closer you are to 100, the fewer reasons that Google has to ignore your page. Tiny tip, don't try to fix everything at once. Start with your highest value pages. Top collections, best-selling products, and key landing pages. That's where SEO gains compound the fastest. So, if your Shopify pages aren't ranking, it's usually not the product. It's the structure, the clarity, and the SEO signals around it. Fix those, and good products should finally get the visibility that they deserve. And if this video helped, comment your store or page type, and I'll tell you exactly what to fix first. Like and subscribe for more tiny tips, and I'll see you in the next one.